This is the BISSELL SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop, a powerful yet easy-to-use cleaner for sealed hard floors. It uses spinning mop pads that do the scrubbing for you, so tough messes and sticky spills come off with less effort. With the on-demand spray control, you can put just the right amount of solution exactly where you need it. The design is lightweight and has swivel steering, making it simple to move around furniture and corners. It also comes with 4 reusable pads, 2 scrubby pads for stubborn messes and 2 soft pads for everyday cleaning. Inside the box, you'll also find 2 trial-size cleaning formulas, so you're ready to start right away. The water tank is easy to fill with a guide that helps you mix the solution correctly every time. And while it cleans your floors, every purchase also supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping pets in need. The BISSELL SpinWave Pet makes floor cleaning quicker, easier, and much more effective. Now meet the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a compact but powerful cleaner designed to tackle everyday messes. With strong spray and suction, it lifts away tough spots, spills, and pet accidents from carpets, rugs, upholstery, car interiors, and more. The built-in water tanks are easy to fill and empty, keeping clean and dirty water separate for hassle-free use. The lightweight portable design makes it simple to carry around your home or even out to your car. And with its long power cord and flexible hose, you can easily reach tight spaces and corners. The BISSELL Little Green makes cleaning spots and stains quick, easy, and more effective, so your home and car stay fresh, clean, and ready for anything. This is the YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to make scrubbing faster, easier, and more effective. It comes with an adjustable and detachable handle that extends from about 35 to 43 inches, so you can clean high walls, windows, or low surfaces like floors and tubs without bending or straining your back. The scrubber runs on a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, and after about 4 hours of charging, it delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning time. That's more than enough to tackle multiple rooms or a big, deep cleaning session. With 3 speed settings, high, medium, and low, you can match the power to the job. Use high speed for tough stains and soap scum, medium for regular cleaning, and low speed for delicate surfaces. It comes with 8 different brush heads, so you'll always have the right tool for the task. There's a flat brush for floors, a corner brush for edges and grout, a round brush for sinks and tubs, and more. These heads are easy to switch and washable for reuse. A helpful LED digital display shows the battery level and current speed, and the unique voice broadcast function gives reminders so you know exactly what mode you're in while cleaning. The scrubber is also IPX7 waterproof, making it safe to use in wet environments like bathrooms, showers, and even outdoors. Lightweight at just around 1.6 pounds, it's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. The YKYI electric spin scrubber is designed to clean tiles, bathtubs, sinks, kitchen counters, glass, car wheels, and much more, replacing hours of hand scrubbing with a smart cordless solution. Now here is the RIMAY dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser, and it's one of those little tools that make dishwashing way easier. You just fill the handle with dish soap, and when you press the top, it releases the perfect amount right where you need it. No mess, no wasted soap. It comes with 2 interchangeable heads, 1 sponge and 1 scrub brush, so you can use it for both light cleaning and tough stains. The bristles are strong enough for greasy pans but gentle on non-stick surfaces. The handle has a comfortable non-slip grip, and there's even a small scraper at the back to remove stuck-on food. Plus, it comes with this neat stand that drains water and keeps everything dry and organized. If you want a simple, handy way to keep your dishes clean and your sink area tidy, this RIMAY dish brush set is totally worth it. Now here is the O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System, which offers a simple and hygienic solution for everyday floor cleaning. It uses a 2-tank design that keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that every rinse uses fresh water for better cleaning results. The bucket includes a convenient foot pedal for hands-free wringing, allowing easy control over how much water remains in the mop head. Its microfiber mop head captures dust, dirt, and grime effectively, while being gentle on all types of hard floors. The triangular shape of the mop head makes it easy to clean along edges and in tight corners, and the 360-degree rotation provides smooth movement under furniture. The mop head is machine washable and reusable, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Designed for use on hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors, the O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System combines innovation, convenience, and reliability for a more efficient cleaning experience. This is the Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop Kit, an all-in-one cleaning solution made for quick and easy floor care. It includes the Power Mop Spray Mop, 2 mopping pad refills, a bottle of cleaning solution with a fresh scent, and batteries, everything needed to start cleaning right away. Its high-performance pads have hundreds of scrubbing strips that lift dirt and grime effectively, giving up to 5 times better cleaning than a regular mop and bucket. The spray function releases the right amount of cleaning solution, helping floors dry fast without leaving streaks or excess water. The large swivel mop head easily moves under furniture and can lock into place for cleaning along edges and baseboards. It's safe to use on all sealed hard floors, including tile, laminate, vinyl, and finished wood. The Swiffer Power Mop makes cleaning faster, simpler, and leaves every floor looking clean and fresh. Now here is the SXhyf Hard Bristle Crevice Cleaning Brush. Is a compact and powerful cleaning tool, designed to tackle the tight spots and hidden corners that regular brushes can't reach. It features a durable plastic and alloy handle with a non-slip grip, making it comfortable to hold even during wet cleaning. The hard nylon bristles are tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle enough to protect surfaces from scratches. The narrow brush head is specially designed for precision cleaning, perfect for tile grout lines, window tracks, kitchen sinks, shower corners, and car interiors. It easily removes stubborn buildup in hard-to-reach areas where larger brushes fail. It's lightweight and comes with a hanging hole for easy storage after use. Built to last and made for efficiency, the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush simplifies your daily cleaning routine, giving every corner of your home the deep clean it deserves. This is the WOLFBOX MF50 Electric Air Duster, a powerful and eco-friendly way to clean dust and debris from your home, car, and electronics. It's equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that spins up to 110,000 RPM, giving strong air pressure to remove dust from keyboards, laptops, fans, and car vents in seconds. The duster offers 3 adjustable speed levels, so you can choose between light, medium, or powerful airflow depending on your cleaning needs. It's cordless and USB-C rechargeable, giving up to 40 minutes of use on a full charge. You'll also get multiple nozzles and brush attachments, perfect for cleaning different surfaces, from delicate electronics to tight spaces in your car or home. Lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to carry, the WOLFBOX MF50 makes cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. This is the Alflod All-Purpose Shower Squeegee, a handy cleaning tool made to keep your glass, mirrors, and tiles spotless. It comes with a durable stainless steel handle that's comfortable to hold and built to last. The soft rubber blade smoothly wipes away water, soap, and dirt without leaving streaks or scratches. The 10-inch wide blade covers more area in each swipe, making it great for shower doors, bathroom mirrors, kitchen tiles, windows, and even car windshields. It also includes a waterproof adhesive hook, so you can easily hang it on any smooth surface for quick storage. Rust-resistant, lightweight, and easy to use, this squeegee works perfectly in bathrooms, kitchens, cars, or any place that needs a clean shine. The Alflod Shower Squeegee is simple, sturdy, and effective for everyday cleaning. This is the SIGA Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo, a smart 2-in-1 cleaning set, made to handle both clog clearing and deep cleaning in your bathroom. It includes a heavy-duty plunger with a commercial-grade rubber suction cup that delivers maximum plunging power for stubborn clogs in toilets, shower drains, and sinks. It also comes with a bowl brush that features dense nylon bristles, engineered to reach under rim areas and hard-to-access corners, giving you a thorough clean with every swipe. Both tools rest in a 2-compartment holder that keeps your bathroom neat and organized, while also hiding the tools when not in use. Built and designed with modern bathrooms in mind, it has a sleek, space-saving design that fits most standard bowls and drains. The neutral color scheme works in any decor. From tackling tough blockages to keeping your bowl spotless day to day, this combo gives you complete bathroom cleaning power.